Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the camera actually has stable power. Blinking often means insufficient voltage. Remove the battery, inspect for corrosion or deformation, and clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. Once done, install a guaranteed fresh pack or the recommended fresh cells and press the power button while watching the LED. If you have a multimeter, measure the battery terminals under load to confirm voltage stays within the camera's spec. This rules out intermittent power causing the blink. Next, you'll inspect the flash and film mechanics because many Polaroid blinks signal film advance or capacitor faults. Open the film door and verify the cartridge sits squarely. Misalignment triggers error signals. Look into the flash capacitor area. If components are swollen or wiring is loose, that can cause blinking and must be handled carefully or by a pro. Then cycle the advance mechanism by hand to detect sticking rollers or debris. Cleaning with a soft brush and isopropyl resolves many jams. Finish by resetting and testing to confirm the fault is resolved. You remove all power for 5 to 10 minutes to clear internal charge, reinstall fresh batteries, and attempt a cycle with one fresh film pack while watching for the blink pattern. If cleaning didn't help, replace obvious faulty parts like the battery pack, film door switch, or flash capacitor. These are common failure points. If blinking continues, document the blink cadence and take photos. Those details guide a technician or parts lookup and speed repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.